Hello everyone, it's me, myself, at the zoo. So a little bit of context on why I'm here. 20 years ago, I went to the safari and got mauled by a monkey. Yeah, so today we're gonna look at all the zoo animals in this little cabin to see what they truly are made of. Now let's go. Alright my fellow compatriots, we got some nice polar bears on the side. Yeah, and then on this side, we got some very nice kangaroos in this little exhibit. So yeah, that was basically all the animals. Stop copying me. Yo, what's up, my broski? Yo, what's up, Dennis? Man, dude, I haven't seen you. Well, that's some fucked up shit. Now it's time to go.